Anthony life in the Philippines. Wow! Happy talaga muna. Hey, brother. Dali, ara sa ni trasis naman mo. Yo, the trasis is almost done. Wow. That's fast. Fast, Daddy, huh? It's a big house.
Yeah. The trusses are so big.
Yeah.
So different than ours.
Yeah, so different.
How come?
I don't know.
I think I like their trusses better.
You like your trusses better?
I don't know.
No, it's not like our house is so complicated. Everything is, this one is so plain. Their trusses is so plain. Ah, yeah, Daddy, it's small. Daddy, look at that. After you put the rooms, it's so small.
Wow.
They will put the car here.
Where?
Here, I think.
I thought this whole thing was a drive. I thought this whole thing was
Yes, it is.
It's not. There's a wall here. I thought the driveway went all the way down.
Kane! Son, asas.
Did they change the plan? I think they changed the plans of the house. I think they added more rooms, changed the plan.
Ano sa niya, kwarto? Oh, it's a parking lot. It's a parking.
This little spot right here? Oh, it's not very big.
Yeah, that's why it's so small. What? May
What can you park there? Just a motorcycle?
Marang pero lapas ang lubot.
Mo ikaw kagamong truck ana ya, o gamong truck ikwan. Di iya.
Nag.
I like this guy.
Kasada ling ay kanilang. Highway naman din niya.
Smoking and traveling.
Gamay ra lagi ninyong parkingan. May go di ay.
Kamay ra kayo.
Yeah.
Asa bilang sumpayon na lang ta diri kay mora man ang coral na to.
So small. Kani koral, kani. Kasada.
Kani coral. Kasada na diri.
Kini. Kini butang kini.
Kani. Kani mo ni.
Kansa ni dire kanal.
This is the road, Daddy.
Kanal na ni.
That's the road?
Yeah.
Dire road na.
The road where?
Here.
Here. Ikan sa to 1 meter na simentuhan. Og dire so ring.
So magguba ni. Guba jud ni for sure guba.
This house is coming down?
Yes. This house at the back.
Guba jud ni tanan.
Ingon si Anthony, tinan mo igo mong sakyanan na ni.
Igo na oy kani process abot na jud dire. Pwede ra og sumpayon na to dire.
Yun siya, ganahan ko siya simong process. Ako mo, complicated. Daghan ang god, tungod sa kadaghan lang. Ay ginadaghan ko ang ito sa babaw.
Mga angle bar mga utoy mo ka.
Gahit. Sa mga nila ha?
Magkakaila ani.
Our trusses don't look anything like that.
No, it's angle bar. We use angle bar.
How come we use angle bar?
That's Jen,
That's what she wanted?
yeah. It's more strong, Daddy. This one is not really strong like what we have.
Finishing na so dito. So
Finishing
out. Dito ka kwarto. Human.
They started finishing, Daddy. Let's see. I wanna go inside.
Hindi na maabot.
They all... Asa po mo?
See the inside.
Pare dire agi.
That's funny, guys. He's my brother-in-law and he talk code in Visayan. He's so smart.
Yeah, Lynn tells me all the time.
Yeah.
I need to stop next time.
Yeah, Sonny can speak Visayan.
You
Why?
lived here for how many years?
Just 8.
Just 8 years, and me, I just lived here for what?
3.
3 weeks.
3 weeks. Yeah, finishing already.
So, what is this right here? The living room?
What's up, Sonny? Sonny? What's up, Sonny? Sala? Living room.
What's that? Bedroom?
Kitchen.
Kitchen.
That's the kitchen?
That's the kitchen.
Oh, okay. So this is the doorway. You walk in here, and this is like a closet. This is like a closet.
Dining table.
This one for the dining table. Just there.
Butangan LCD dire screen.
The
TV
TV.
on the wall here.
Yes, of course.
So what's this little corner thing here? A
Butangan
closet?
na to himo na to butangan
Is
sapatos.
it a
Then
closet?
for the shoes.
Oh,
Pagbut
okay.
For the shoes.
himo na dire. Sound tayo. Bintana dire. Close na na okay. Okay butakan shoes.
Bitaw.
Here's the structures.
We have like that. See? It's not.
Oh yeah,
it's
we have
yes.
pieces like this.
Yeah, we have like this, but it's not all like this. See, it's not like ours, right? Now you're happy now. Now.
I'm not happy. Look at the size of their beams. They're bigger than ours. Look how fast this guy is.
Yeah, and their salary daddy is only 400. Yeah.
Oh my God! It would take a. I don't want to say. I just want to say that this guy's fast as hell.
Yeah,
Oh,
yeah.
sorry.
They are so fast.
So it's 2 rooms or 3 rooms? 3 rooms.
3 rooms. Kaya yun sa mani. Muna,
Is this the master bedroom?
yeah. Ako sa mani, sa kids.
This is the kids' room. Then this is the bathroom here.
It's just the size of our bathroom. But yeah. But at least, you know,
Look how they're putting water on
Yeah.
the wall. Our guys never put water on the
that's
wall.
why it's cracking, whatever.
Don't crack.
No, just wait. They just put it. You can't see the crack for
Ours cracked like the next day.
Wow, they're so fast. It's almost done. 3 hours. You know, just
They're
want
so fast. Our guys know it would take them like a month to do this room.
correct.
A month.
Kapit na yung direct.
Ano man eh, sir? Master? This is the master bedroom, daddy.
Here.
Oh, you have your own CR?
Yeah,
Nice. Good job. Wow.
this is the master bedroom.
Nice. So 2 CRs, 3 bedrooms.
3 CR because they will put
3 CRs?
outside.
Oh, they put one outside?
They will put outside.
That's for
Chiptech. For the
the
guests.
CR outside is for Takoy.
Na ba ni mo? Ito na outlet na ho na. Batang na outlet.
They go wash clothes outside. They have a lot of flowers there, daddy.
Yeah, he has a lot of outlets from them. Oh, you're gonna put the TV here? Wow.
They will put just like ours. Have a lot of outlets.
Finishing there.
How about aircon? Is it gonna be just in the window?
There. Pillet ra dire pa mo.
Yeah, it's just like our aircon.
Oh, he's gonna have the split. He's gonna have the split aircon. Very nice.
That one is only 50,000. 50 plus
For what?
for that aircon.
Just for 1 unit or how many units?
1 unit. Ha?
Friday City.
37? O sa man, 1.5 inyong ikuha? 2 man to mo ah.
Dito na kay kuya kay.
Ah, 1.5 kay gamay raman yung kwarto din.
It's 1.5 horsepower.
Yeah, because
So how
that's
many? Just one?
pila kuno ka aircon yung pala doon.
Isa ra dire sa
Just
sala
one.
isa.
One here and one in the dining.
Na dire po. Kapto na yung gamit ng bahay.
Over there, they have a window one.
Ah, they have in the house the window one.
Yeah. That's nice.
Yeah.
Wow, it's gonna be really nice. I didn't know he was putting split air conditioning over there.
And it's just a small room, so it's gonna be so cold. This room is just
And the ceiling goes so high.
yeah. I like high ceiling.
Kuring ani ha. Dire ra tama.
Oh, okay.
Kuring na.
Before I
Tiles
do that.
dire. Abong na.
Nice, oy. I like a high ceiling.
Dire sa mo na dire. 10 meters na dire sa sala.
This cement is so different than ours.
Yeah.
Maybe one step ani mo na one step na. Kani kabog-kabog na ni one step.
We're gonna step here.
Samot na ni sala. Kabog kayo.
It's nice, huh?
Yeah.
Almost done. Almost there. You know, the hard part is just the inside, daddy.
Sayop na
Yeah.
mo lagi.
This is the easy part. This is the easy part.
This is the easy part.
Karon pa dito tanaw na hog, doon lagi sayop do. Ha kay isa kani haligi si bogon tato. Pari haragya pununta ni one.
Yeah.
Gada punta samot.
He said
Sa kwarto niya nara kada.
he said he has a mistake because why they put like that? Why not all? You know, if he just put all like this, like that, he has a big space.
Yeah.
His was thinking
Why don't he change it?
Car parking.
he don't
Why
want
doesn't he change it?
no
Change
because
it.
already have the beams or whatever. It's already complicated. If they will change it, then more money, and it is fault.
Whose fault?
His fault. His
But
fault.
it's true because
Then mo man na sa
Lagi.
Over here, there's a door.
Map na to, mo naman.
Will there be a door
Pasiyo
here?
na sila.
There's
Oh.
gonna be a door here?
Yes, that's the door.
So this will be the main entrance, but they'll probably use this door all the time?
Yes, because it's near.
Yeah.
That's big.
Fixed glass na nito window.
Oh. Pegs niya sliding. Pero sa mga.
Fixed glass.
Pegs din niya, pegs. Pegs niya
and
sliding.
then the sliding?
Ah, yeah, just like
Oh, I'm
ours.
getting nightmares just thinking about it.
Yeah. That's a
But
good.
aluminum sliding?
Yeah, it's good if they will use aluminum, not wood, not like
Double door na ni. Di naman na sliding ani. Double door.
double door.
Double door.
Ah, just double door, daddy.
Oh, just
Not
open like
sliding,
that.
yes.
Open.
That's
Not
better.
lights, not sliding.
Kaya naman ang pag
Just this one fixed. Fixed glass, this one, and fixed, and then double door.
Nice.
Yeah, that's a good design.
Yeah.
It is design.
She showed us the picture. It's beautiful.
It's nice. These guys, they are really fast.
Last time we were here, there was nothing. None of these.
Nothing.
There was just one little footing here. That was it. That was how many weeks ago? A week or 1 week, 2 weeks?
Like a month. Huh?
nanasuro ka rin si Mana.
They say this week they're gonna put the roof. Roof.
Sunod si Mana, at mga bro, tapos nandoon sila sugod ka rin si Mana ha. Sunod si Mana.
She said they will start next week.
Karon si Mana,
Ah,
abot na
next
karon si
week.
Mana.
They say this week.
1.8
Yes,
for everything.
forever.
That includes the tiles and everything.
I think they will add for the roofing. They will add a little
Really?
amount. Really?
Mora.
Oh, wow.
It's a good deal.
That's really a good
Really
deal.
good deal.
That's a good deal.
Yeah.
Wala apila ni sa grills o coral.
Outside by apple?
Grills.
Grills of...
Window grills. Oo naman. Sila lagi ang trabaho.
Wow.
Mga duha ka buwan, human dun.
I have to admit they're good. They're fast.
Yeah. And I like the walls. There's no crack.
Yeah.
And it's a really thick layer of cement on the wall.
Wa pa ganito ha ka tao kay nakubog isa, ang isa pesta. Wa pa ganito, dire. Alam mo to karon na.
Ah. Wow. They're
How about the windows? Are they gonna be sliding?
No.
Sliding in.
Ah, this one? Yeah, this one is sliding window.
So the dining room table will kind of fit like in here.
Yes.
So there'll be chairs along the back.
Yeah.
And then a couple of chairs here. Nice.
Yeah, it's nice.
Where are they gonna put the split aircon in this room?
Asa mo kuno yung butang aircon? Here. For me, it's good if you will put there, because all of the coming here, right? Here. I don't know. Oh yeah, this
If it
one.
was me, I would put it up in there.
But here's you're right. This one is good.
Emergency
Good
light.
here.
Babaw.
They will put emergency light upstairs. Ah, there.
Emergency light?
Oh. Ooh.
Emergency light. Diha sa ina. There is not allowed with Mr.
So it's like a battery powered light.
Yes.
So if there's a blackout, they have lights.
Yes,
Oh,
they have
light.
lights.
Ay, dire po.
Sama siya, mag solar. Sama na,
Is
battery
he
na.
not gonna do a generator?
Charger
He's not
po,
gonna do a generator.
No,
No
they don't have
generator.
generator. They have generator, but just give them headache. It's so loud.
Any pressure tank? Are they gonna do a pressure
Di mo
tank?
pressure tank?
Pressure tank.
No. They don't need pressure tank. Wow.
Really nice. Where's the stove gonna be here? Or the sink?
Here.
The stove will be here, and then the sink will be here.
Stove here, and then the sink is here.
That's nice.
Mga rib, dire po tang rib.
This one is a
The
refrigerator.
refrigerator.
This one is a
Have
refrigerator.
a window here.
Oh.
Have a small window
Sliding ng
here.
dire po.
Have a window here.
Sliding door here.
This one is
Fixed
Oh.
glass na.
Oh, so they're gonna have this is gonna be blocked off from the rest of the house, the kitchen.
yes.
Is it
So-
is it gonna be a dirty kitchen? No, right?
No,
Uh-huh.
just if they cook, if they don't want to smell something, so
That's
they
a
just
good
close.
idea, right?
Yeah,
That's a good idea.
it's really a good idea.
So the kitchen can be separated from the rest of the house. So when they're cooking, especially the spicy food,
Dire mga
they just have the window open.
glass na.
They can have the door open and cook in here,
Yes,
right?
it's a good idea, right?
And the clothes don't smell and all that other stuff.
Yes. That's why they
That was
have.
one of the reasons why I like our kitchen was separated. Well, you can cook whatever you want. It's not going to get into your clothing and your stuff. That's a great. I would honestly, I would have never thought of this idea to separate the kitchen like that.
No, they did because
That's a good idea.
You don't
Who
want-
thought of that? Sonny or the contractor?
it's sunny.
That's from.
So na kisa ko na naka hunahunaan ang idea.
Ha?
Kisa
Whose idea was this?
butang agpultahan. Ikaw?
Ako.
Yes, it's sunny. Yeah. It's sunny. He don't want to smell his clothes.
Sila doon ta sila dire. Punta mo nung taga niya niya punta na bli dire. Mabutang pa tani dire og gasol. Nakuha mo na space. May pa og sliding na lang para
Yes,
makuha
so
space.
true. He
Fixed
said
glass
that.
taman dire. Fixed glass.
Yeah.
Muna sliding dire.
Nice, huh? Gonna be headache, Kevin and Arjun. Just like your Tia.
But you know, I can already see it coming along. I mean, look how fast they put that wall up. Look at this man.
Yeah.
So fast.
They're really
Oh
fast.
my god.
Wow. They're so fast. Oh, shit. You know, think of building again? Your house again?
Oh, okay.
Muna po man. Kapit na.
That's his worker.
Right?
I love you. You really to make me laugh.
I really have to do this. This is that diet's starting now.
Not really for you, just only 108.
Serious.
No, you're 116.
Yeah, fuck this shit. No way.
Yeah,
I gotta get back to my former self.
yeah.
It's your fault.
What, Michael? You're the
Says
one
you just let me eat
always
whatever I want. You let me
Yeah,
drink
you-
whatever I want. You
You'll
don't
be
yell at
mad.
me.
No, I always yell at you if you drink.
You do not.
Ah, that's not true. I always yell at you if you drink. And you said, oh, just give me, just give me a break.
Yeah.
I need a break. I did a lot today. Just give me a drink.
See this?
I
See this?
see this.
Pow! To the moon. To the moon.
To them on your ass.
Yeah.
Okay, guys.
Follow
Thank
Alice.
you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.